This is a standard 12-volt car battery, and this is a saw. Today, we're gonna see what's inside. But first, I think we can safely say that these are a new fashion accessory. Batteries have screw caps, so we're going to undo these and pour the sulfuric acid out into this glass receptacle. Hopefully this doesn't explode. Sulfuric acid is very damaging. The battery's making a fizzing sound. Oh, I'm going to make an educated guess and say that this probably isn't the safest thing I've ever done in my life. Technically, for the lead to be dangerous, it needs to be sitting in the sulfuric acid. I hope. Come on. We're still in one piece. Let's see. Nearly there. Oh, yes. Yes! Amazing. Wow. Let's see what happens. Surprisingly, nothing. Oh, wow, we actually cut through the terminals. I guess they're lead. Inside the battery. Oh, lovely. So inside a 12-volt car battery, you have 6 individual batteries, which are all 2.1 volts. Now that's because the chemical reaction between the lead plates inside and the sulfuric acid produces 2.1 volts of electricity. Now those are connected in series to create 12.6 volts, which is why they say a 12-volt battery, when healthy, should be around 12.6 volts, not just 12 volts. A larger battery, which has a higher current output, essentially has additional lead plates, and when they're connected together in parallel, that creates a larger current output, but it doesn't change the 2.1 volts per individual battery.
And that enables you to output more power, meaning you can crank a larger engine.
Sulfuric acid, when combined with various household substances, can form chemical reactions. We're going to try that and see what it does with some sugar.
Well, that's very different to what the internet said it would do. Any idea why this didn't work?
Inside the battery, we've got a load of plastic, we have the sulfuric acid, and we have the lead. Right, these are the lead plates inside the battery. They are separated between the positive and negative. Wow, okay. Ugh. So that's a lead plate, I believe. So what we're going to do is stick a lead plate in bicarbonate of soda and see if we can melt it. Now, do I have any bicarbonate of soda? Yes, I do. So we're going to neutralise the lead plate. That's fizzing away. Now we've put that in there. There's negative and positive lead plates. Spongy lead, I think one of them's called. In the sulfuric acid solution, they create 2.1 volts when there's a chemical reaction. Amazing, really. While that keeps fizzing away, I've made a mould of a shell in some soil I got from the ground outside. If I melt the lead, it should, in theory, fit to the mould. So I've got a blowtorch, some neutralised lead. Does it melt?
After giving the lead a bit of a rinse.
Let's have a look now and see, once that cools, whether I've been able to make a lead shell.
Well, it sort of worked, but
I'm going to do this with another attempt, but this time I'm going to go with lead filings. These terminals are made of lead. They file off. What I'm also going to do, rather than using sand, is use some filler. I'm going to make a mould of my wedding ring with that mixed. And these are the lead filings. So we have the flux here, and that helps the lead to flow. Let's see what happens. I really hope I can get my wedding ring out. Okay. Now we've got these filings. We're going to gently put them in there. Let's heat this, and I hope. So I ended up just putting the lead filings in the shell.
well, I never claimed to be a jeweller, but I'm pretty happy with that.
Who likes my new battery lead ring? That was a lot of work. Shouldn't actually wear lead jewellery. I'm far too old for this. If you enjoyed the video, I'm not going to bore you with all the like and subscribe nonsense. You know what to do. And at least you know what's inside a battery. This.